Good morning, students. Today we will discuss examples of complete irregular and Tikhonov spaces. So first we discuss about indiscrete topological space. We will show that indiscrete topological space is completely regular but not Tikhonov space. Now, the indiscrete topology is denoted by tau1 and it consists of two members, phi and the set X. The only closed sets in this topology are phi and X, and non-empty closed set, that is X only. So we can say that there is no situation of being a closed set not containing that point. So this topological space is viscously completely regular, and also this topological space is not T1 space, because if we take two distinct points X and Y in this topological space, then the only neighborhood of both points is the whole space X. So we cannot obtain a neighborhood of a point X which does not contain the point Y, and a neighborhood of point Y which does not contain the point X. So we can say this topological space is not T1. So it cannot be Tikhonov space, because a Tikhonov space is completely regular as well as T1. Now, our next example is discrete topological space. We will show that discrete topological space is Tikhonov space. To show that it is Tikhonov, we will have to show it is T1 and completely regular. Now, discrete topological space is T1. We already discussed it in the examples of T1 spaces. Now, it remains to prove that this topological space is completely regular. In order to prove that it is completely regular, we will have to define a function f from the set X into the unit interval 0, 1, which is continuous function, and image of a point under this function, that should be 0, and the image of closed set not containing that point, its image should be 1. So let us define the function f from X into the unit interval 0, 1 by f of x naught is equal to 0, and whenever x is not equal to x naught, let us define the image of x as 1. So we can say that f of x naught is 0 and f of x is 1 for every x belonging to K, where K is the complement of singleton x naught. Because singleton x naught, that is open set, so its complement, that will be closed set not containing the point x naught. Now, we have to prove that this function is continuous, and we know that a function is continuous if inverse image of every open set in this unit interval will be open in X. So let us take an open set in this unit interval. So let us take that set is G. We have to prove that f inverse of G is open in X tau. Now, because G is open set in the unit interval 0, 1, so its inverse image from here we can see that will be a subset of X, and f inverse G is a subset of X. So by definition, all the subsets of X, they belongs to power set of X, and here the power set of X, that is the discrete topology. So we can say that f inverse G belongs to the topology tau 2, and so f inverse G is open. So we have proved that inverse image of every open set in this unit interval is open in X. So the function is continuous. Thus, for arbitrary chosen point x0 from the set X and a closed set K not containing that point, we have obtained a continuous function f from X into the unit interval 0, 1 such that the image of point x0 under the function f, that is 0, and the image of closed set K, that is 1. So by definition, discrete topological space is completely regular, and also it is T1 completely regular and T1 that forms Tikhonov space. So we can say that discrete topological space is Tikhonov space. Now our next example is cofinite topological space. Let us take X is infinite set and tau3 is cofinite topology on this infinite set X. We will show that this topological space is not Tikhonov. Now, in order to show that this is not Tikhonov, we will show that it is not completely regular, and we prove it by contradiction method. Let, if possible, this topological space is completely regular. Now, as we already discussed, every completely regular topological space is regular also. So this topological space will be regular. But this is a contradiction to the fact that cofinite topological space, when the set X is infinite, that is not regular. So it means our assumption is wrong. So this topological space is not completely regular, and therefore it cannot be Tikhonov. Now our next example is usual topological space. The set of real numbers with usual topology defined on it, that is a T1 space. We already discussed it. Now we will prove that this topological space is completely regular. So then it will become Tikhonov. To prove it is completely regular, let us take a point x0 belonging to a set of real numbers and a closed set K such that the point x0 does not belong to the set K. And we define a function from the set of real numbers into the unit interval 0, 1 by defining f of x is equal to mod of x minus x0 upon x minus x0 mod plus distance between x and k. First of all, we show that this function is well defined. Now, here in the denominator, the function x minus x0 mod, that is non-negative because modulus is non-negative quantity, and also distance function, that is non-negative. So this is the sum of two non-negative quantities. So this is non-negative. Now we show that this denominator cannot be 0. So if we take this denominator is equal to 0, in that case, this being the sum of two non-negative quantities, so both quantities should be individually 0. So we get mod of x minus x0 is equal to 0, and the distance between x and k, that is also 0. Now from here we get x is equal to x0, and from here, because x is equal to x0, so we can put here x0 in place of x. So we get distance between x0 and k is 0. But we have already taken the point x0 does not belong to the set k. So the distance between the point x0 and the set k, that should be non-zero. So it means the denominator of the function f of x, that is non-zero. So we can say that the function is well defined, and also this function belongs to the unit interval 0, 1. F of x belongs to the unit interval 0, 1. Now, in the definition of f of x, if we put x is equal to x naught, the numerator will become 0. So, f of x naught is 0. Now, it remains to show that for x belonging to k, f of x is 1. Now, because x belongs to k, so by definition, the distance between the point x and the set k, that is 0. So, putting this value in the definition of f of x, we get f of x is equal to 1. And because this is true for every x belonging to k, so this proves that image of the set k under the function f, that is 1. Now, it remains to prove that the function is continuous. Now, because in the numerator we have modulus function, mod of x minus x naught. Modulus function being a continuous function, so this will be continuous. In the denominator we have sum of two functions. One of the functions is mod of x minus x naught and the other is distance between x and k. Both of them are continuous functions, and sum of continuous functions is again continuous. So we can say that the function f is continuous function. Thus, for the arbitrary point x naught belonging to set of real numbers and a closed set k not containing the point x naught, we have obtained a continuous function f from the set x into the unit interval 0, 1, such that the image of x naught under this function is 1 and the image of closed set k under this function, that is 1. So by definition, this topological space is completely regular, and also this topological space, that is T1. So regular, completely regular and T1 space, that becomes our Tikhonov space. So we can say that usual topological space is Tikhonov space. By using the same steps, you can prove that a metric space XD, that is Tikhonov. In this case, we have defined the function f of x by taking a point x naught from the set x and a closed set k not containing this point. So we can define f from x into the unit interval by taking f of x is equal to distance between x and x naught divided by distance between x and x naught plus distance between x and k. As we discussed in the previous example, this distance, that is positive, and also this function is continuous function, and under this function the image of point x naught, that is 0, and image of closed set k under this function, that is 1. So we have obtained for an arbitrary point x naught belonging to set x and the closed set k not containing the point x naught, we have a continuous function f from x into unit interval 0, 1, such that the image of x naught under this function is 0 and image of closed set k under this function, that is 1. So by definition, this topological space, this metric space is completely regular, and being T1, that is Tikhonov also. So this proves that the metric space XD, that is Tikhonov space. So these were some of the examples of the topological spaces which are Tikhonov.